Would you take this trip? Beaver Island sits in the middle of Lake Michigan, miles from shore. I took my 16-foot Zodiac on a 30-mile journey from Wilderness State Park to the island. While the Zodiac is a perfectly capable boat, taking small boats so far from shore isn't recommended. The northern end of Lake Michigan has a lot of shallow shoals, which means many shoal lighthouses exist in the region. On the way from the mainland to Beaver, I passed two. Waugoshant's light station was built before the Civil War and it has an interesting history. I also passed Gray's Reef, a young lighthouse that was built in 1934 to mark an excavated channel in the reef that was dug a couple years later. I finally arrived at St. James Harbor after almost 3 hours. Beaver Island is a great place to visit. We have much more about this region on Restless Viking.